So we had to end the session and restart it.
Okay.
A warm welcome to all the panelists, to the students over here. Students, I know this is a holiday. We wanted to have an engaging and exciting session because today we have three, I would proudly, want to say that these are former Geethamites who pursue their passion and or on the way to, they're on the way to success, creating or curating the success stories. So today's session is going to be really engaging, exciting and inspiring also for few of you who believe in the whole theme of live your passion. I'll tell you the reason why we wanted to have a form of Geethamites who are successful is how many of you have seen our new TV commercial? This is totally on live your passion theme. So we want to pick somebody who pursue their passion and these have completed their education. They have started, they have taken up a job, but still there is this dissatisfaction in them, in them, and they have taken this risky, I would say risky, but then passionate step to move away from the regular stream and do something unique. And then here they are. For a few of them, I had to cut the other celebrity in their photographs and put their photographs in the PPT. That itself, shows what, success they have created. Good morning, everybody. Once again, I am Jaya, a senior manager who takes care of communication for the admission over here. I have my colleague Gansham, who handles the admission part of it. I have my IT team, Venkat, who is taking care of the entire session. Apart from that, we have the all three panelists. Good morning, Shabdish.
Hi.
And good morning, Ajay. Thanks for
the
invitation instantly. And good morning to all the students or parents who have come for the session. The session will be in this format. We will have a small intro of all the three speakers or the panelists over here. Then we will move on to each of them speaking about their storyline for a few minutes, and then we will have some nice interesting questions which they wanted to ask you all. So we will post that. You please respond, and then in between we'll keep asking them some relevant questions. Team, I would request you to post questions which are relevant to the speakers on your admission, your academics, or your joining classes. We can take it up towards the end of the session. So let's not waste the time and their time. So just post the relevant questions, because you may not get an opportunity to meet them in the recent past. Maybe you are pursuing the same stream, then you might get a chance to meet them all. Okay, right. Without any delay, I would start introducing, all three of them. Shabrish, of course, he is the most Viva web series curator and creator. How many of you are the Viva fans? Tell me. I myself is a fan of Viva. Please raise your hand. Yeah. I go. Yeah, I see Ajay and Praveen also. Oh, wow, Shabrish, there are a lot of fans down here today for you. So we all love Viva because it is so nicely, well articulated. These are all simple things which we face on a daily life, whether it is the interview, examination, all Viva interview, all these things are simple storylines with a fun element and well presented by the cast. And meticulously, driven by Shabrish. Shabrish, I think you will have to, take. I think hats off for you to put that thing for us. It is super entertaining. And Shabrish, all the three of them have no godfathers. Okay, they're not from a film industry background, but still, what has driven them to this level is their interest, their hard work. Nothing would be easy. I'm sure they would have had tough days and nights to get where they are today. So, I'm sure it'll be interesting to hear it from them. So, Shabrish is our BTech grad. He's a pass out from 2012, Shabrish, or 11?
Yeah, 2012 pass out.
2012 pass out. So welcome, Shabrish. I don't want to dwell down in detail because I want you to tell about that in interesting way, the way you have the web series content. Welcome, Shabrish.
Yes.
Welcome, Praveen. Praveen is yet another. You've seen the Netflix, super critically acclaimed movie Cinema Bandi. How many of you watched Cinema? Okay, raise your hand, Okay, quick. Yes. Now you've seen Cinema Bandi. Now everybody is a filmmaker by heart, and I'm just fida for that line, Praveen. I'm like, flowed with that whole line. Yeah, sure. We, right from our childhood, we are a filmmaker. The way that itself is a filmmaking from childhood. So that is super. It is such a raw, very interrogative, very village centering, and very unpolished. Yet it has touched a lot of, or millions of hearts. So that itself is a huge task. Taking something such raw, such simple subject line and reaching over and that pitch. I think Raj and DK are the most popular producer duo who produce film, family man kind of series, and you have won their acclaim and you have reached till Netflix is a super duper story, and we are waiting eagerly to hear it from you on the story. And Ajay, oh, that melodious hola hola, I'm still tapping my feet for it. Guys, I will make you hear that song here, and I'm sure Ajay had promised us to sing a few lines for us today in the session. And Ajay is again our BTech grad. Praveen is also our BTech grad. Ajay is from
11
batch,
passes.
and I think Praveen is 2012.
Yeah, 2012.
So all of them are engineers and become celebrities in the Tollywood, or maybe we are looking forward to move them to other industries as well. I just play a short, PPT which has got stories of each one of them, and then they can take on it. I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know if you guys have a voice or screen resolution issue. DG, just let me know in case if it is not all right.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Is it visible, guys?
Yes, it's visible.
Yes. So, yeah, you have the beautiful canvas of this thing. Okay. Welcome to the panelists again, once again, who believed in the word, live your passion. So all three of you have really, and we wish you, attain more in life. Harish, I've given the intro and a small story of him. Okay, I'm going to the drive to play this. Oh, here you go.
The video is not being played, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, the video is not being played. Oh.
Hello?
Video is not being.
Okay, I see the video is not getting played once again. Is it playing now? Thumbs up, it is playing.
No, it's not playing.
No?
No.
It's not playing?
No.
Okay, then I'll play it directly from once again. I'll go to the drive and I'll play it directly. Sorry. Okay. Yes.
But the audio is not coming, yes.
No?
No, once when you are sharing the screen, just click on, just put a check mark on this.
Sorry.
When you're sharing the screen, once you stop sharing the screen and share the screen again, and put a check mark against share computer audio.
1 second. Okay, I'm sharing the sound as well. Just see now. All right.
Yes, perfect.
My name is Shannu sir. My father is daddy sir. We have family sir. We are very good people sir.
Hello,
Hi. Your name?
Srilekha. Do you know Tinder?
Yeah, I know.
పనిలో పని ఇతని కూడా అడిగేద్దాం.
Okay. Hey, useless fellow. ఏంట్రా? ఏంటది?
పైనాపిల్ సీఈఓ బిల్ జాబ్స్ రిలీజ్ చేసిన సంచలనమైన సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యాప్ ని సిటీలో అందరూ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. యాప్ రిలీజ్ చేసిన గంటకే 30 లక్షల మంది డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడం రికార్డ్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ బాబ్జీ.
టీకే లాగానే ఏంటో చెప్పు.
బాబ్జీ దగ్గరలో చైనీస్ రెస్టారెంట్ పేరు చెప్పు.
నీ ఇడ్లీ మోకానికి చైనీస్ రెస్టారెంట్ ఎందుకురా?
బాబ్జీ
దిస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ ద బిగినింగ్.
స్టైలిష్ ధీరు. What is the dice what?
Let us begin. మనమందరం ఎందుకు కష్టపడుతున్నాం? మన గోల్ ఏంటి? మన ఎయిమ్ ఏంటి?
What is the use of optical fiber?
There are many uses of optical fiber, sir, and optical fiber has many uses, sir.
So my next mission, Swachh Bharat 2.0.
చరిత్రలో స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంకుల రికార్డ్. నంబర్ 1 ఎప్పుడైనా ఎక్కడైనా నంబర్ 1. మీరు సైంటిస్ట్ అవ్వాలని మీ ఆశ. నా విద్యార్థులు అలియా సైంటిస్టులు అప్పుడే 3 మూనుపై 2 మార్సుపై 1 జూపిటర్ కి చేరుకొని.
Welcome to YY News.
This is Shannu.
This is Raghav.
Hot topics,
Trending topics.
all topics అన్నీ మీ ముందుకు తెచ్చేది
YY News. ఎక్కడ 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 ఉన్నాడో బాలుడు? మన పైడిరాజుని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
ఓవర్ టు పైడి. అమ్మా పైడి, ఇదిగో పైడి.
అరే పకోడే,
చెప్పయ్యా.
ఇది లైవ్.
Subscribe to
Good, super cool. So I hope you enjoyed the show reel. Now over to Shadrish. I just stop the screen and I want you to please take on the session. Welcome.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Jagaru, as well as thank you for all the panelists as well as students under K who have attended the session. So it's always great to interact with fellow team as well as super juniors as well. So I think ఎంతమంది తెలుసు, నేను అండ్ ప్రవీణ్ we are cousins. We ఇద్దరం గీతం అండ్ సేమ్ బ్యాచ్, సేమ్ same batch here. So I think right from the beginning, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి we used to have this passion of making films. అంటే not in technical terms, but we don't know how to call them. Like we, as short films and police and we don't have any idea. But so we started making videos on a small handycam. So handycam lo we don't know how to edit or we don't know anything at all. So we just used to come up with a story or general story, and then everyone is a director, everyone is a cinematographer, everyone is an actor. Like, well, if Praveen is acting, I'll directing, and if I direct, Praveen is acting. So everyone, like even Shanmukh or all other my team, so but later it became like a it's a daily, it's whenever we meet it became a hobby. So we used to make a lot of videos, and the post-production thing, especially because we don't know how to use technical editing as well as dubbing and any. So what we used to do is we just used to tie our speakers around the earphones around the handycam speakers, and then we used to play some background music, and Akananchi we used to pick up and we used to shot, and then all the audio that's coming from the the earphones will get recorded into the handycam. So that's how we used to add background music to the videos. And then the titles and all titles, we used to do the PowerPoint presentation, like director this name, cinematographer this name, and then we used to keep the handycam just before the monitor, and we used to record it and then play it. So there is no technical addition to it, but it used to be very exciting because I think it's more exciting when you don't know how to do things, because you learn a lot of things, and it's always finding out solution how to do it. So later, and then we joined Geetham. I think we made we joined short film competition as well. We did a Airtel ad, and I think we won second. Me and Praveen, I think we worked together on that project. And then after Geetham, I think everyone again, the team, like got dispersed and like everyone went in their own ways, paths. So I joined Accenture campus placement. I got campus placement in 2012, and then I joined Accenture in Chennai. And then Praveen went to Wesleyan Woods for a cinematography course. And I think Praveen is the first person to directly go into industry, my bachelor. And then I thought after 1 year of doing job, I thought, I'm not happy with what I was doing. So, and then I plan to quit my job and then come back to filmmaking. But it's more like I think 21 or 22. Yeah, I'm 22. So that's when I thought, okay, so it's a big risk, obviously, because when you have a stable job and you have to quit it and come back to filmmaking is something filmmaking which you don't have any platform or even backing or no history in. All we know is we can make good content and confident about the content itself. So once we so that's a big risk I've taken, but I thought back then that I'm young and I'm obviously have more age to take failures and or try things which I like the most. So I quit my job and came back, and then so at the same time even Shanmukh dropped out, and even he wants to get into acting, and then Praveen is already into in Hyderabad doing projects. And then so I wrote my scripts during Accenture itself, and then I came back, and then I started with Viva. So I directed it, and then I written and directed, and then Harsha who is my friend, who also acted in it, and many other all my friends acted in it. And so Viva got released, and then I mean the plan is to make a lot of videos after that, but after the first video we didn't expect it will go that viral, and we got a lot of calls from the industry, and we came to Hyderabad after a couple of months. So that's how I mean simply put, that's how my journey started from from a childhood passion to career itself.
Hello.
Yeah, Jay, yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
You want to put a poll question? We wanted to ask a question to them.
Okay, sure.
1 second. 1 second. Okay. DG, just type the question, please. Biggest motivation for you to biggest motivation for you to pursue your interest or hobby?
I think biggest so the biggest I think I don't have any okay.
No, I posted the question on the chat. So what, according to the students, biggest motivation to pursue a interest or hobby? Just reply with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for achievers and influencers, 2 family or friends, 3 self, 4 an incident which led you.
Shabrish would like to know your answers. So students, please put it in chat box. Once you are done, we will ask questions to, we'll ask a question to Shabrish and then we will move on to Praveen. Don't worry, all your Q&A questions are here. I will ask them towards the end. In between, we will ask them some relevant questions. So there are 2, 4, 4. So it is hobby for somebody. It is so there are they say family and friends, then self. Okay, they themselves motivate to pursue their interest. 2 and 3, okay, self and family and friends. Okay, so you say, Shabrish, you are saying that it is an incident which would, push them in pursuing an interest. So,
I think for me, biggest motivation, it's more like not a biggest motivation. It's a motivation. It's more like a generalized motivation. It's just the curiosity towards the things we try. So I think my suggestion to anyone who wants to, to know what they like or try what they want to do, I think it's just that trying different things. So if they're not, if I think you don't need to directly switch from this A to B. You can just while doing A, you can just start trying B, C, D, and E, whatever the likes and what they wanted to do. So for example, I think if me and Praveen, if we didn't do any, if we didn't have the handicam back then, maybe 20 years back, I don't know if we would have ended in the film industry or not, because it's because of trying the handicam and doing and getting the idea of doing films with that, and just made us made more like it's more became more habitual, and then that's when we got more interested towards filmmaking, and then it got more serious and then into a career. So I think trying different things now, it can be anything, like any art or anything, whatever they like to do, and then to see if they really like it or not, or if they can see if how they're venturing into it, and then
okay.
get serious about it.
Shabrish, mostly your content on web series is student centric and fun based. You try to put a lot of fun into it with some student centric things. So did your college days at Geetham help you in curating the content, or it's something from outside?
Yeah, it definitely does. And but it's not like everything is I mean, whatever we made in Viva, it's especially the first video, it's not it's more of a imaginary characters and imaginary thing. But few things have definitely helped me, the college days have helped me how exams work, how students talk, or how the Viva happens. Because few things personally, Viva, how I answered the questions. So yeah, I mean, all this helped me writing the scripts related to student humor.
Thank you, Shabrish. We'll get back to you again with a bunch of questions. So we will move on to Praveen.
Sure.
Well, Praveen, I am going to play your show reel here. So I'm sharing my screen. I think I'll have to share my screen. Okay, here we have Praveen, Cinema Bandi. So I will directly play from my this thing. I'm resuming.
పెట్టుకుందన్న గొట్టము
ఏమున్నదిరా యాడ్ సిక్కిందిరా
Audio, video, all right.
పెట్టుకుందన్న గొట్టము
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు బావ దీనికి ఈ బొమ్మలన్నీ
చూస్తే నీకు బొమ్మలు తన కనిపిస్తా ఉన్నాయా నిన్ను ఎవడో ఆటోలో ఇడిచిపోయిండాడు
ఇట్లా కెమెరానే మహేష్ బాబు ప్రభాసు వీళ్ళందరూ సినిమాలు తీసేవే
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
బా
అట్లయితే మనమే వెళ్ళరా పిక్చర్ తీయకూడదా అది వాడడానికి వస్తున్నారా నీకే
యాలు వచ్చేలేరా
ఇదేవరా ఇదే ఇట్లుందే
ఇదే ఫోటోలు తీసినాక చేతులు పట్టే సెమట తుడుచుకొని ఎక్కా
నువ్వు ఆట వాడివి కదా.
అయితే మే ఆటోల్లో సినిమాలు చేయకూడదా ఊరేడా ఇట్లా ఉన్నాడా ఆయన రైటర్ మన పిక్చర్ కి
రైట్ రా
మా పిక్చర్ లో హీరోగా చేస్తావా
హీరోనా నేనా హీరోయిన్ ఎవరన్నా
ఎర్రగడ్డలు 40 రూపాయలు, ఉర్లగడ్డలు 30 రూపాయలు, టమాటాలు 20 రూపాయలు.
ఇందులో ఫోటోలు తీసామంటే హీరోయిన్ తర కనిపిస్తుంది ఇట్లా పోజ్ పెట్టుకొని కొంచెం సేర పక్క జరుపు నడుము కనిపించాలా
నడుము కనబడియల్లా చెప్తలా వేస్తాను చిన్న కొడుక.
అన్నా 520 539 రా
ఇంత చదివిన పిక్చర్లు ఎందుకు రాసేస్తారు
పాలు చేస్తేనే మంచిదిరా మనకి డైలాగులు అన్ని బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని చెప్తారు ఆమె ఒక్క నిమిషం మేము అందరం కలిపి సినిమా తీస్తాం హీరోయిన్
నిజంగానే పిక్చర్ తీస్తున్నారా నేను చేస్తానా
అంతకంటే మంచి బిడ్డ సిక్కలేదురా మనకి
సూపర్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ రా ఇంక మన షూటింగ్ రా ఏమీ అడ్డం లేదు రెడీ రా
నీ పేరేమి యారు అరుస్తున్నావు ఆమె తినేస్తావా పేరు చెప్పేసి చంపేస్తాం ఏమే
పోరా వెనక అవి పొమ్మే
రెడీరా
రెడీ రా
నీ పేరేమి
అబ్బా యో వేరే తాసిక్లేదా నీకు సంపెత్తుకుపోయాకే
కాసులకే ఆశపడే
ఇచ్చారు కదా ఇటుకాని అప్పుడు చూసుకో చెప్తాను ఊరంతా కరెంట్ వేపించేసే 3-4 బోర్లు వేపించేసి పొలాలకు పంప్ సెట్లు వేపించేస్తాం రా ఏమంటావురా
ఏమైనా గట్టిపోకుడు కంటే మెత్తపోటు చాలా బాగుంటుందిరా
సార్ అదే బ్యాగ్ పోయింది కంప్లీట్ ఇచ్చాం
దొరికితే మేమే కాల్ చేస్తాను
ఇఫ్ యు గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ విత్ ద కెమెరా.
స్కూల్లో నీ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో అంటే ఎవరు చెప్తారా ఏమే మరిడేష్ బాబు అదే నువ్వు చెప్పురా
Right, that's an interesting one. Yeah, Praveen, now hear this story from you, the success story of yours.
Yeah, like mostly Savresh told my journey similar to like Savresh how we started movies and all. So basically after after engineering, I really want to pursue my passion. Like even in engineering, I used to do a lot of short films. I used to organize events from college events. These are all we used to organize. So after that, I really want to go into my something which I like. So I went to Mumbai. So there I trained as a cinematographer. So after that, I came to Hyderabad. I worked for 2-3 films as a cinematographer. So for me, direction is something which I love from the beginning. I want to tell stories. I want to tell stories which are deep inside very realistic films. That is always my genre. I used to attend a lot of film festivals. That is one thing which I got from Wrestling Woods. I used to watch World Cinema. That was something that inspired me to make something very unique stuff. So I'm doing cinematography. Something is not really happy for me. I'm not really doing what I really like. So after that, I went to Bangalore. So I went to Bangalore and started an ad agency. And there I have done few Uber ads. For Uber, I have done training videos for all over India. I've done some training videos for Uber. So slowly, I wanted to come into pure passion, cinema. So Then there is one film. I met Rajan DK in Film Bazaar. It is a film bazaar which happens in Goa. Basically, it's a networking place where all over the world, people come there and do networking. So there, I pitched an idea for Rajan DK in a book, basically. So they loved it. They loved the idea, and they started to they told to make a demo film out of it. So after that, our team started to make one demo film of 40 minutes, and they loved it, and they produced Cinema Bandi. So it's a long journey of basically I'm alone in Bangalore. When I went to Bangalore, I was alone. There is no one with me. Like I started searching for team by Instagram, Facebook. These are all I use social networking platforms to get the whole team, basically. So it's like 20 to 25 people team. Like we all wanted to do something good, basically. So that is how Cinema Bandi started. And I like, it's been 2 years we've been working on this film. Like 2 years I've been working on like Cinema Bandi, and finally it's out. You know how like it got really good acclaim after that. So yeah, it's a journey. It's a big journey. After Sabri, this is my journey, basically. How I came to films, how cinematography, editing. I used to do editing also. I just love to make more films. That is always, I want to tell a beautiful story. Yeah, that's my small journey of it. Yeah.
It is, I hope it is not a small journey. I am sure there would have been a lot of, tough days which you would have faced, and hardships. So guys, here is a question which Praveen would like to post. I'm launching this question. What is movie for you? Asha, it's been launched. Just answer, what is movie for you? Praveen would like to know. Entertainment, or a mode of family gathering, or it is movie is an outing with friends and having masti. If you feel none of these fulfill answering this, you can type something on the chat box also. Movie could be a profession for somebody, it is an interest for somebody. Praveen, they're answering. We have about 60% answered the question. We will end the poll once we touch 70%. Yeah. Okay. We'll end the poll. Okay, I'm ending the poll. And I'm just sharing the results, Praveen. This is for you. So it's entertainment for most of them, and having a masti time with friends and gala is 25%, and a mode of family gathering is 13%. So this is a question for you, Praveen.
Yeah.
From your point of view, will education help in attaining something like this, or did your education help you in in putting where you are today? I mean, few may not believe that education is essential for pursuing a career like this, but of late we see all people like you who did education, who did a job somewhere else and then moved to the industry, unlike the Esther years where right from starting they were in the industry. So do you think education is important for a career like this?
Yeah, definitely. I think doing engineering or anything, you get to learn discipline a lot, and you get to understand, you get to meet a lot of people. So there, when I'm studying in Geetham, I used to have a lot of networking. So I used to be with many people. I used to understand the essence, the discipline, everything. Without doing that, I don't think so we'll get it. The environment gives that energy of you creating. Basically, every person is different mentalities there. So I feel more than the subject you learn in engineering, it's the life that gives you a lot of knowledge. Basically, that's what I always think. The engineering helped me a lot in giving that energy. Basically, yeah.
Oh, great, great. Then we'll get back to a lot of questions, Praveen. Just hang on. We'll move to Ajay. Thank you for the story, Praveen.
Yeah.
Ajay, hi Ajay, welcome again. Now I'm going to share a screen and then play your show reel. Share screen. We have Ajay Arasada, again, a grad from GM, and his recent is actually very playful and tap worthy. And is the screen visible?
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, yes. Wonderful, Ajay. That was really amazing tune. So, over to you, Ajay. I don't want to delay further because after this tune, I think it is better you speak directly.
Thank you so much. So, hi guys, this is Ajay Arasada. I'll start from AAAA exam. because I should talk about Geetams. So I've written AAAE in Geetams first. So that is the first time I entered Geetams. Me and my friend were entering the college. So during like while walking, the way used to be very very green and very lively. So I told to my friend that right, చదివితే ఈ కాలేజ్లో చదవాలి ఎప్పుడైనా లేకపోతే ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదవడం వేస్ట్ అనేది that is my view. So AAA anyways, that is okay. Let's let's not talk about that. So later Geetam University start చేస్తాను తెలిసింది. So I applied and it happened, everything happened in 2 days. So dramatically MSET counseling and Geetam's counseling both on the same day. So I have to choose between MSET and Geetam University. So obviously Geetam University I chose. So luckily I entered Geetam and I was quite happy with that. So the amount of support I got from Geetam is like, it is like indirect support I got from Geetam, like the time wise or the circle I got and all the 4 years, and it is very near to the city, so that I can travel to my studio whenever I have a time. So I used to go to few classes and cricket match in the afternoon and studio in the evening. So this used to be my routine for all the 2 years. Like after engineering second day, I entered into the music. So previously, like I started learning guitar in 9th class, but I learned just for 2 months or 3 months. So later I learned on my own. And thing is, the internet is not that good at that time, like the YouTube and all. It used to take to download 2 GB of data. It used to take 2 to 3 days in my friend's house. So I have to check the internet there at night. It used to be fast, BSNL internet. So it used to be fun than now, because if I like look back, the amount of the satisfaction levels used to be very high when a new sound or new song is composed at in engineering time. So that used to be very good. So later as usually I got into fourth. Luckily I don't have backlogs. So in final year I got placed in TCS, and because of the placement I moved to Hyderabad. So everything is interlinked. Like moving to Hyderabad, I got film circle there, and Facebook is just evolved. Like in my engineering second year, from Orkut to Facebook. So lot of contacts in Facebook, and because of TCS, I worked for 7 years in TCS in Hyderabad. So, and someone was thinking like which university, like we3, like we studied in Geetam University, Rishikonda, Vizag branch. So so that's how I entered like Hyderabad. And working in TCS, I composed music for 2 movies, and parallelly many short films I worked. So after 7 years, I came into the bench. Like in one project, I got like few months of time. Then Gudachari music composer Sricharan Pakala is a very good friend of mine. So he called me up and he asked that there's one movie called Gudachari. So can you work for that? So I just okay, let me try, because I was married, and after 3 months I got this offer. So weird thing is, after marrying, within 3 months I left the job. So that is a bigger risk. But everything is like starting 1-2 years, it is a bit tough, but following a passion is very much a good thing to do, and the satisfaction levels are very high. So presently I'm in my own path. So firstly I have to thank Sricharan. Because of him I came out of this software field and entering into the movies field. Yeah, that's how I entered in the films, and presently I'm working for a few films and web series. And previously I worked with Shannu for Surya web series. So going on good. This is how I entered.
Many would like to know what is the song name. So this is movie Missing, which music composer is Ajay, and the song name is Hola Hola. You can check it in the.
Yes, and this song.
Questions. What is the song name?
Okay. This song is Hola Hola from the film Missing, and we have to give credits to singers Yazin Nizar and Ramya Behera, and it is beautifully written by Vasishtha Garu. So please do listen in your free times as well. And many I've seen this chat box. Many are asking about the certifications, the dates, and all. So don't worry, guys. Everything will be in place. Everything will be fine. Don't worry about things in college. Enjoy these 4 years. And whenever I see Viva or Praveen's Cinema Bandi, I go back to again the college time, and Viva is too much connecting. Those kind of things, many things happen in, in the college which can't be shared officially to the Geetam. So very fun.
Ajay, I want to ask a question. Usually when people wanted to pursue a career which is not so traditional, after doing your engineering, you have to go settle down, elsewhere in US or UK or in a very big company with a, good salary or whatever. So when the moment when you said you wanted to, go do films as a music composer, was there any, opposition from your, say, family or friends or something like that? Because it is tough. The journey is definitely tough. It is for all three of you. It was never easy.
Yeah.
So then there was any opposition, or how did you, take it?
No. Let me tell you. I've exposed to music to because of my sister. Like she learned Veena, so I used to when I was in 5th class or 6th class, I used to sit beside her and I used to watch her playing Veena. So I was never interested in music actually in the childhood. I used to paint, I used to draw. Like in 5th class, like my father expired in 5th class, so my mother was like she worked for 20 years. As a class 4 employee, so financially we are not that good. So like in the 9th class, only because of my sister I got the guitar. So she bought me a guitar and she supported me well. So that support continued like all the years. And what happened is like my thought process is, when they are supporting me, I should not keep them in trouble. So it's a mutual thing. So I took the support from them, and the same time, that is because when a class 4 employee trying to bring her children up, there will be a lot of difficulties, right? So I fixed like I should work. I should not go film industry directly. So that is the reason I worked for 7 years in TCS, because I'm not that interested to work either, but still I have to work because of the family responsibilities and all. And when I want to design, even my wife supported. Like if you get support from your family, 50% you're already succeeded. That's what I believe. The rest of the 50% depends on our hard work, our talent, the luck, everything will come on. So that is how it happened. I got family support 200%, and I gave them confidence, like, okay, he can do well in the movies, even though it is not software field, he can survive. He can take care of their family. So software is not the only thing to survive, right? So I'm not that interested in software, so I just choose a part, because after 7 years in software, people who work, you can ask them, so what is the workload they have and what is the pressure they'll be having. So now I'm very much happy following my passion. This cannot be happen with everyone, but it happened. Maybe luck factors plays a major role here. But I'm ultimately happy, and my family also happy. That's what ultimately we want.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you so much.
And can we launch the poll?
Yeah, please launch the poll. Guys, Ajay wanted to ask you a question, please. What is music for you? And okay, what is music for you? There will be another question. This question is there anyone who is interested to take music or singing as a profession? Ajay, see, a lot of singers for you in the freshman lot.
Let's see.
Okay, not sure. Maybe I'm sure by now you should be either yes or no. Okay. Yes. Okay, Tarun, yeah, we heard it. Yes, you are.
And yes, most of the people are asking about this song. So I'll share the link.
Yeah.
Only at the end of the session. I don't want people to leave
No,
this session and go there.
Ajay promised us to sing few lines. I'll ask a question to him, which will be followed by a song. DG, end the poll. End the poll and share the results. Yes, Ajay, here it is. Yes, 44% wanted to, pursue singing.
Nice.
Good. Right. Now we will take on few questions. Okay. Shabrish, we are missing you. Yeah, lot of questions. Why is Shabrish not doing Viva anymore? When can we see him back? So please let us know when are you back?
Yeah. So so the thing is, we kept on a hold on short videos. So right now we're working on a long form series, like 5 episodes or 10 episode series, a long form series. So and also
little louder, Shabrish, little louder.
Yeah. So I think it's been almost 2 years. We didn't make any videos on Viva because one thing is, before in 2019, so the main headquarter company called Culture Machine, they ventured into long form series rather than doing short form. So that's why they kept on hold on all of the channels which they have, even Viva or Put Chutney, Being Indian. So there are other YouTube channels as well. So after that, so even I was thinking maybe I should do a long form series or movies. So I think I've done my part in YouTube, making videos, short videos and all. So maybe this is my time to venture into films and series. So that's why we stopped doing Viva videos, but and now we are doing working on series and also movie scripts. But obviously the comedy and the timing of Viva will be the same in the series as well. I mean, that won't be disappointing for sure. Yeah.
Okay. Shabrish, which is your best fond memory at Geetham?
I think it's the planning. It's planning during the industrial trip, because all our classmates, we wanted to plan for the North trip, but our HOD wants to do us South trip. So it's more of a lot of negotiating and a lot of convincing and a lot of other things to do. So because we completely planned all the places what to go in the north, till Shimla, Kulu, Manali and all the places, and everyone got excited. And in the end, our HOD came and just said that so B1 and B5 are there. They're going to south. Why are you going north? So north is hilly region, and there are many. There can be accidents and all. But we we very much insisted on going north, or else I think we'll drop the plan completely. Is what we gave to the south. But finally, we made it to the north. Yeah. So I mean, that's a huge because I personally organized the trip. So because I made I mean, it's a surprise for all my classmates. So me and my friend, we both did a surprise planning, like we gave t-shirts for all the people with their names and roll numbers on the back. Before starting to the journey, because it's just completely surprise, they don't know anything about it. So we made pamphlets of all the planning, on which day we are going, on which day. It's more of, it's called as industrial trip, but it's more like it's more of a exploring trip. So yeah, that's a very memorable moment for me during Geetham. Yeah.
Praveen, this question is for you. How easy or they said, do you think getting films as an actor is very difficult, or what is the foremost thing which is required to become an actor? This question is for Praveen.
So basically, the passion is what is very, very important. Like any field, I mean, acting or anything, someone should dedicate his 100% towards whatever it is. We should not have a two-ways thing, two boats sailing. Basically, it is very difficult because an actor, he has to give complete 100% towards his career, and So definitely what I am saying is right now, a lot of OTT market has been in demand. So everybody who has a talent will come up. So it's not like before 10 years, it's like only big heroes, stars are coming. So right now, if you have talent, you have an opportunity here. So it's all there. You just have to dedicate your passion towards cinema. Acting, like even though you're an actor, want to be an actor, you should know what filmmaking is, what everything is about. You should study like actors like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Vijay Sethupathi, Dhanush. There are many good actors, Nani. Like you have to study acting in a core level. It's always good to have go to film institute and study also. Even I encourage because you get the vibe of being an actor. Don't think just like coming into field and just being here. Like don't give any 50% thing. Come 100%, and I want to be an actor. That's it. Yeah.
Do you have any burnouts, Praveen? If say a day full of work, but then it didn't eventually come out as it has planned. So how, I mean, is there any burnouts at that time, or how do you tackle such things?
But like I mean, see, I've been in industry for the last 10 years. I'm struggling to become a director. I have been rejected a lot. For 10 years, I never lose hope. That is what I always strive for. There are because this is something not a regular thing. It's not a job. Every month you get a salary or something. It is like you don't know what happens. You can't ask money to your parents. You have to do some other thing. So I have doing cinematography. I have doing editing. I'm doing all the other crafts basically. So movie is not just something, because many actors are assistant directors before. So they have to survive in the industry. So I think right now no need to think about, because right now the larger market has been emerged. So it is always good, because right now the money which is earned in filmmaking is also more. Because now any YouTube videos, the creative content, anything that's coming. So the creativity never have boundaries. Basically, you can just start on.
Always you have to be fresh with your thoughts and.
Exactly. Yeah.
There's Anusha who says, Praveen sir, I really loved your cinema bandi, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Wanted more and more from you. So the expectations of all three of you, I think, have been raised somewhere. So please, let's not miss. I mean, you have to keep continuing giving the good work, Praveen.
Thank you.
And Ajay, there's a question for you saying, what inspires you to compose such lovely melodious tunes? Because I think musicians should always be, fresh at thought, so that.
No, I generally feel music is something what we are. Like art is something what we are. Like whatever we are inside, it comes out. So I'm generally an emotional person, and if you observe any other composers' songs or music, if you can see their character in the music, and then character in the movies, even director, the art comes from inside. So maybe that is the reason the melody question will be more. Maybe others should, like whoever knows me can tell about me. Musically, I'm just presenting my emotion. That's it.
Okay, Ajay, thank you, Ajay. If you have to dedicate a song for Geetam, Ajay, which is that song, and please sing for us.
I have to see the lyrics. Okay, is it fine?
You just without any lyrics, you just hum it for us. It is all right.
Just a moment. You're able to see me, or?
No, we cannot.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, that's fine. For Geetam, I can do one thing. This song is not released yet.
Oh.
Okay.
So I can sing that for us then. Thank you, Ajay.
Yeah.
Not released, but he's playing it for us, I think.
Yeah, this has actually two like it's a male version and a female version we have in the movie. Female version is sung by Chinmayi Garu, and male version by Anurag Kulkarni. So whichever suits. I'm just singing the lyrics. Just a moment. Okay, I'll sing this female version. I'm a bad singer. Please don't mind. Okay. Solo life idi so gunnadi edo jarigenu lona simple manasuki dimple padinadi preme na idi maina palike pedala anchulana వనికి స్వరాల జడివాన కదిలే కలల్ని కంటున్నా నిలిచి ఉన్నాననే నేనా కుదురే లేని అడుగే నేనిక వేసా ఎదలో నాలో నాకే రాసిన కానుక నీవుగా. So this is the one song.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you so much.
You'll love it. Once
Very nice. You see the comment, very nice voice, sir. Nice, sir. Thank you. There are a lot of people who were asking you to sing, so thank you
guys,
so much.
please listen to this song in Chinmay's voice, and you will love it for sure.
Yes. Thank you, Ajay. This question is for you. If you have to relive a moment at Geetam, something which has happened during your education, what is that one moment which you want to come back and relive? Praveen.
I don't know, there are many moments in Geetam basically.
Pick one.
So, we used to have this events basically. Every year there is some event like Tantra, some college events basically.
Yes.
So, all college people, we used to overnight, we used to stay there and decorate the whole thing, and we used to organize the events. That is something fun which I miss the college life, that there, because I as a creative person, I used to had this poster designs, I used to make this video documentaries and all basically. So I've done one ad for Geetam. At the time, Sabrish has done one time-lapse ad, and after that I've done an ad from Geetam. So that is after I met Murthy Garu, and he congratulated me for that. That was some of the good moments for me. Yeah.
Question from somebody, Praveen. If they are interested in acting, so will you give them a chance? Is what they would like to know.
It's always auditions. I do conduct auditions, and you can come to auditions anytime. You can follow my Instagram.
Yeah, guys, you can follow their Instagram and take the updates from them. And yes, now Shabri, so they are asking you when can they expect the new script?
I mean, so we're done with it almost. I think mostly we'll go with the shoots maybe in November. Yeah, I mean it'll be soon. Yeah, it'll be really soon.
Okay, so it'll be soon, guys. Any one last question? Ajay, I'm interested in music, so how do I start my journey? Please.
Sorry?
He or she, I don't know, it's announced at Indy. They wanted to know, they are interested in music, so they wanted to know how to start their journey.
Now there are a lot of videos regarding this music production in YouTube, and you can start with just learn some instrument, like any piano or guitar. Just you guys have time now. Once you are out of college, you don't get time to learn. So use these 4 years for the learning, so that it shows the path automatically. That is the way, because I compose music for short films, and I learned through working. So that may not be possible with everyone. So it's better to learn classical music or keyboard or guitar. So any instrument, whichever they like, just learn the music, then it shows the path.
Shabri, there's a question for you on. Have you ever lost hope? Because when you started web series, that's when the whole industry of web series started. So you really don't know whether it will go further or it is going to be a short. So did you ever lose hope, Shabrish?
It's not a straight answer, but I think obviously every journey will have up and downs for sure. But but my thing is, if you take life too seriously, I think that's when you'll think a lot, and then that's when you might lose hope. So sometimes I think you shouldn't take life too seriously. That's when you won't lose hope. It's just that you'll be more concentrated on what you like and how. So that's how I mean that's my equation towards going forward. And obviously, so when I quit my job, obviously I had a lot of things in my mind. So because quitting a job and switching careers it's not an easy thing. But but what I thought was, what could possibly go wrong? So obviously, I'm not quitting some NASA job and coming back. I'm just quitting a software job and then coming back. So yeah, so it's tricky, but I think obviously we have just one life, and I think it's very important to do what you love, what makes you happy, what makes you satisfied, and all. So it's very very important. Yeah.
Like one last thing, what I would like to tell to all of you is, when I've all these gentlemen, all three of them were so humble, so much of empathy towards the other person, and respect is, I think, something each one of us should learn from them. They're so humble, very down to earth, and the way they spoke to me each time I pursued them, no matter at what time I messaged them, they used to respond. And I think this is what I really liked from all three of you, Shabrish, Praveen, and Ajay.
Thank you so much.
Really thank you from bottom of my heart to accepting this invitation instantly and being part of it. And again, I'm repeating, we are very proud of you. Geetam is proud of you because you are Geetam alumnus, and you are on the way to your success. You have created or scripted your own success stories, and Geetam is proud of you. Thanks for
Sorry to interrupt you, but I would like to add, I've given a lot of interviews and like promotional stuff and during this tour and all, during this missing promotions and all. But I think in future also, this is the very emotional and very special thing to get noticed by Geetam University, which is loved by everyone. So thank you so much for the thing, like this thing. And I would love to know, like, this I want to visit Geetam with my movie team, and I taught you regarding
we
that.
would like to see you on campus. So once
That's
things are
what we'll
back, once
plan.
the offline classes are there, we'll see how to bring you back and have a super engaging session, face to face, offline.
Sure. And guys, please listen to the songs which are in YouTube already, and movie is getting released on 22nd. The Missing is the movie name. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ajay. Any Praveen, Shabrish, any last words?
Yeah, I want to say something. It is something very special for me because I still did not take certificates from Geetam. It is still in the college. I have to come and collect. Even my 10th class certificates are there.
So then we will keep it safely. We will keep it safely and ensure that you come, you have an interaction with a student, and you give back the certificate.
So basically, my main agenda is I have to be successful without taking certificates from Geetam.
you have been. So you have been.
So this is something special.
But then we want to get say that you are Geetam alumnus, so your alma mater.
Yeah, Praveen has gifted his certificates to Geetam.
Yes, thank you, Praveen. We will frame those and keep it with us. Shabrish, any last words to our?
Yeah, I mean, thanks, Jagger. I mean, obviously for organizing this event. It's obviously always great to interact with students, and especially our super juniors. And if someone, because so back in those days when I mean in 2008 to 12 in our engineering days, I think it's always when you have to take decisions related to careers. So obviously you need to have some guidance, or you need to have someone who is already in that position, and who can give us a lot of information about what's going on, and will it be a nice journey, or will it be a journey which is like to take care of and precautions beforehand. So but this is a way where the future the future generation of present engineering students who wants to take future in a different path, and how they wanted to, because they can follow our how we did, or how we started our journeys and all. So I mean, many started right from the beginning of the engineering. Like Praveen, I started my journey after 1 year, and Ajay started his journey after a couple of years. So it's all these experiences will be helpful for the students, and obviously this is a very good. These are great sessions to get all the questions of the students get answered. I think you'll plan a lot of other sessions with other people who are passed out already in Geetham. It will be a great session, and thanks for organizing this. Yeah.
Thank you, Shavrish. Thank you once again. It was nice. It was a pleasure having you all. Yeah.
Yes, there are a few queries. One is regarding the English examination. See, any information regarding the English examination, please post the query to your admissions counselor. The admissions counselor's contact number is present in your counseling portal itself, just at the bottom of the page. And second frequently asked question is about how to submit the certificates. Very soon we will be releasing a manual for it within this end of the day. And you can also approach the admission counselors. They will be guiding you. Third, if anyone hasn't received the Coursera, this is what we are facing an issue. Coursera, you will be getting the credentials or else the invitation to the invitation link only after the Geetham email ID is created. Even if you are having any issue and you want to post a query to help_Coursera@geetham.in, ensure that you are posting query from your geetham.in mail ID. If you are posting from your Gmail or Yahoo Mail, your personal email IDs, we cannot track who the person is exactly asking the query. So please post your query from geetham.in. Yeah.
DG, one second. I think we'll just say goodbye to the panelists, and then we'll take on the questions on admissions.
Yeah, that's better.
Praveen, thank you, Ajay. Thank you.
Yeah,
See you soon in campus. We'll get back to you for such events. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, DG, you can continue.
Yes, regarding the Coursera, please drop an email from your geetham.in email IDs, not from the Gmails or your personal emails, and you will be receiving the Coursera invitation within 3 working days once the Geetham mail ID is created. If there are any more queries, please feel free to post.
College reopening, I think 6th October you're going to have orientation. After that, 18th October you will probably have the classes. We will keep you informed.
And Harsha Verma, we are not getting certificates on Coursera after finishing the courses. Please reach out to help_Coursera@geetham.edu, but only from your geetham.in email ID, not from any other email IDs. Any more questions? Offline classes, we will be informing you soon.
Yes, probably we will have offline classes, but you will be informed. Yes.
Can we?
On or before 4th October, you need to upload your certificates, and the certificate upload is only for the students who pay their semester or annual fee. Guys, admissions are closing, so please finish your fee payment if at all, if anything is there. We see a lot of people who paid their provisional fee thinking that's your semester fee. But then please go back to your admissions.geetham.edu portal and check whether you have paid either the semester fee or annual fee, and then move ahead with the certificate upload. Go to the admissions.edu, geetham.edu portal. You will have a area where you can upload the certificates.
Can we upload allotment order without coordinator signature? Yes, you can upload. Coordinator means the faculty coordinator. They will be signing it over here.
As of now, you and your parent can sign and upload it. In website, it is written as November 1st. We have never written it as November 1st. Probably October 18th would be offline classes, but you will get information from us. Your certificate needs to be verified. You will have to get your registration numbers as students, and then we will move ahead with your academic classes. DG, can you see this? They are saying November 1st is what mentioned, it seems, for certificate upload.
No, they need to submit whatever they have by October 4th. If there is any document missing what is mentioned on the allotment order, then the missing documents should be submitted to the institute by November 30th.
Okay, got it? Yeah, last date for paying SEM or annual fee is 4th October, so that you will participate in the certificate verification. No, yes, you have to sign your allotment order. Signature of the coordinator is not required as of now. Sliding option is open till only 4th October. Seat cancellation, last date DG.
Please ask them to view the cancellation policy, which is on their call letters. They can directly get to our website, because we don't know from which course they are asking for the cancellation.
I think you need to have at least 1 dose of vaccination. For people who are below 18 years, ensure you take a medical doctor's suggestion before pursuing the whole travel. At least 1 dose of vaccination is mandatory before you come for offline classes, and we will keep you posted on what are the prerequisites. Before just joining, you will have to take RT-PCR test 2 days in advance before coming to the classes also.
What are the documents to be submitted? The documents list is on your allotment order, guys. Please log into admissions.geetham.edu. Click on proceed. You could find an allotment order towards your left if it is on the desktop screen, or else towards the top right, you could find a menu button if it is mobile screen. Click there. You could find the allotment order and the list of documents to be submitted. It's present there. And these particular options will be visible only to the students who have paid their semester or yearly fee. If you have not paid, please make your payment at earliest.
DG, they're asking whether they have to upload it again. Who have already submitted it?
Yeah. There are a few queries from the postgraduates. We have already verified it from the departments. Do we need to upload it again? And the answer is yes. You are supposed to upload it, because only after uploading this document, then only your registration number will be getting generated. And regarding English exam, it is only for the undergraduate students of engineering, management, humanities, and sciences. The others don't have any English examination. For these courses, you need to upload your documents and your exam should also be completed. Only then you will be getting the permanent registration number or roll number of the Geetham.
Any other queries?
Any other queries? How should I upload my certificate for UG? Let us release a manual by day today.
Self-explanatory, you can just, what is pass certificate?
What is a pass certificate? It's your mark list. It's your final marks list. Raghu, you have question once again, which branch members have to write the exam? I'm repeating it. Undergraduate, engineering, management, humanities, and sciences. The others need not.
For people who miss,
only getting the option of undertaking forms. Once you submit your undertaking forms, then you will be getting the option for the documents upload. Either you can refresh the page or you can kindly log out and log in.
For those who missed the Core Tantra exam, which was conducted on 1st, so we have divided the students into 3 batches. The first batch, October 1st. If you have missed it, we will try to arrange a retest for you. Please don't miss the retest. This is a mandatory test, and if you're going to miss, then probably we will have to relook at the admission. So ensure you check all your emails which are coming to Geetham IDs. The Core Tantra test details are sent to your Geetham IDs, and we are sending an SMS also to the number which was given during the application filling process. Okay, now there are few students which are going to attend the 4th October Core Tantra test, and few in the 5th October Core Tantra test. And the test is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You have to come on time. Use the credentials which you have got it from Core Tantra directly to your Geetham ID. Log in and do the test. Finish it by 12 o'clock. The slot is fixed for the students whoever got a mail saying 4th October is a test or 5th October is a test. I've got Geetham login credential, but the login it is showing account is disabled. I think you'll have to write a mail to email services@geetham.edu in that case. DG, all certificates uploaded, but again they need an undertaking certificate is what they want to know.
Then they need to leave it blank and just click on the submit.
Yes. You want to change your number? I think they can change their phone numbers. In their
They cannot change the number, but they can add an alternative mobile number which we can proceed for the communication. 10th class marks memo and pass certificate, is it same? It depends upon the board, guys. Okay, fine then. These all queries you can post to your admission counselors and take the help from them. I could see the document upload video of the previous year on YouTube. Could you please make a video this year too?
People, whoever can get vaccination done who are above 18 years age, please get at least 1 dose of vaccination and get the vaccination certificates when you're coming for your offline classes. And people below 18 years age, please talk to your medical practitioner or a doctor and take their suggestion, because if you're traveling from far place, they will suggest some precautions because you're not vaccinated. So please talk to them. And before coming to offline classes, there will be some prerequisites which we will send by mail or a message or through WhatsApp. Okay, that
can we change campus? Yes. Can we change campus? Yes, sliding is open. You can change the campus or the course based upon the availability of the seats. There will be a change.
Is short memo okay for intermediate board?
So the final memo will be released, right? The final thing. Okay. As of now, whatever documents are there with you, please upload, and whatever you don't have, mention it on the undertaking form, and please approach your respective institutes to get those documents and ensure that you are submitting to the Geetham University by 30th of the November. Is it confirmed on 18th October? 18th October is confirmed for the classes. The mode of the classes is not confirmed yet, and we will get back to you on that.
You will get to know. We will give time at least for the people who are traveling from outside, so it will not be like heavy. So my English test, first one, should I write? We will have to arrange for a retest for whoever had missed their 1st October test. I don't see a reason to miss the test, but if you have missed it, please don't repeat it again. We will give only one more chance. People whoever have to write a test on 5th October, please don't miss the test. Okay, because arranging for a retest will be an hectic task. Please do not miss the test. Okay, have a great day on this Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, do not type anything malicious or wrong. Do not share anything wrong or malicious or a bad thing, or do not see any wrong or bad things. So these are the 3 things which I would like to tell. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, DG.
Thank you, ma'am. See you.